Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2023 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. This is a fantastic find, just over 90,000 kilometers on the odometer, no accident history, and this is a certified pre-owned vehicle here at OMS. Now, the purpose of this video is we're going to take you on a tour as if you were here with us on the lot so you can see how incredible this terrain is and make a great decision to visit us here at OMS to pick this up for you and your family. Underneath the hood of the Terrain, we have a 1.5 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. That 1.5 liter is a nice small 4-cylinder to give you fantastic fuel economy, but of course that turbocharger kicks in when you need it so you can pass, get up to speed on the highway, and have all sorts of fun. Now up front, we have these really nice looking 19-inch black alloy wheels. This is an elevation package, so you have the black accents on the outside, including these really nice wheels. We've got the black mirror caps, the black Terrain logo down below in the driver's door, and the black ladder style roof rails up top. You can see from the side profile, it is a good size SUV, room for 5 adult passengers and lots of room in the trunk, which we're going to get to in just a second here. We have the blacked out SLE badge on the top, the integrated rear spoiler, these very famous tail lights, and then take it a step back so you can see the full tailgate. Love this black GMC logo. All-wheel drive badge, and then let's open up the power tailgate. So you can see inside here, lots of cargo space. Love the fact that we have the cargo liner as well, the one that actually goes up the back of the second row seat. So when you fold those down, they're still protected. We even have the privacy cover still installed. It never ended up getting stuck in the previous owner's garage, which is where most of them, I think, end up staying. So love seeing that. Around the passenger side, great time to tell you that with a certified pre-owned vehicle here from Ontario Motor Sales, you're going to get 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of a limited comprehensive warranty, 150-point inspection, 30 days or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, plus 3 months of Sirius satellite radio trial. You can ask us about that when you call. It's a fantastic program from us here at OMS. GMC badge in the front headlights, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights as well. And then taking a step back, you guessed it, a nice piano black front grille with that black GMC logo. All right, now let's go take a look inside. We'll start off with the back seats. Now, when you purchase this vehicle from OMS, you're going to get 4 free oil changes as a nice thank you of doing business with us here at OMS. So something to look forward to as well. Nice little gift when you purchase. Looking up top, panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back seats. These seats are in great shape. You can see a center armrest there. What I like about these is they're actually very contoured. They're almost like bucket seats in the rear, so really nice and comfortable. Reclining rear seats as well. We have floor liners left in from the previous owner, USB ports, and a regular home outlet right down there on the bottom, so lots of ways to stay plugged in and charged up. And this is a non-smoker vehicle. It smells fantastic inside. Up front, again, that panoramic sunroof, great looking seats. Again, they're just in really nice condition. A power driver's seat with power lumbar support and the floor liners to match the back. So lots of protection here in the vehicle from the previous owners, which should give you an indication of how they wanted to take care of it. Now that we're up front, we'll talk about some of the safety features. Forward emergency braking with forward collision warning. We've got lane keeping assist as well. We've got a nice clear rear view camera system. Lots of different things available on this vehicle. You can call and ask us for that long list of safety features that you're going to get. We've got on the odometer 90,476 kilometers. Automatic headlights on this as well. And then I'll give you kind of a view from the driver's perspective here of our center console. So lots of nice material on the door panels, soft touch dash, and then this infotainment system is fantastic. So we've got, for our audio here, you can see we have Sirius satellite radio, so you're going to get your 3-month trial with that because it is a certified pre-owned vehicle. We've got onboard navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as well. And then there are apps that you can download. Spotify, you can see GMC Mats, Sirius XM, I think it's Amazon podcast, lots of cool apps that you can download on here to make your entertainment experience obviously that much better. And the My GMC app available by subscription, definitely worthwhile taking a look at that. Rear view camera, nice and crystal clear. We have our radio controls, volume controls, all that stuff. Our dual zone climate control up front, so driver and passenger have their independent temperatures. And then this is our gear selector here. So just little buttons that you push or pull to select your gear. USB ports down below. And then here we have our heated seats for the driver and the passenger. We have our lane keeping assist, and then our all-wheel drive selection here, 2-wheel or 4-wheel, and then like a sport mode over there on that side. I've kept the key fob in the cup holder to remind me to tell you we do have a remote start, which is hooked up to our push button start system. And then last but not least is our Carfax. So the GMC Terrain, no accidents, no damage. That's fantastic. And then one of the things that I love is that when you purchase a vehicle at OMS, we also have the build sheet for this car. So you can go through and see every option that has been added to this vehicle. It's all printed out for you here to view. And that's the build sheet from the factory, which is fantastic. That combined with the fact it's a certified pre-owned vehicle, those 4 free oil changes, makes this Terrain a really fantastic find. The next thing you can do right now is right from our website, you can reserve this vehicle online to be first in line, or you can head down here to Ontario Motor Sales right here in the heart of Oshawa. We can put you out on a test drive. You're really gonna love this Terrain. It's loaded with fantastic features, great odometer, great condition, and then you can call it your own. Your family will thank you, we will thank you, and everybody will be happy. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at OMS.